Hey, this is Coach Craig with Sculpting Training, and we have
Coach Mare.
We are going to be doing a core and stability workout. This is going to be gentle. It's going to be great. All you need is a flat surface. You can do this anywhere you want. We're working out our core, working our obliques. It is summer, baby, so let's get it going.
You got to shred the abs. It's the foundation of your body is that core. So let's do this right now.
We're gonna drop down to the ground. We are gonna do some pedal crunches. Think of it almost like a bicycle crunch, but it's a little more gentle on the body, a little easier, but make sure you are keeping that core tight. Lower back on the ground.
Sink it in, sink that lower back like you said. Just think like you're attached to the ground. Really, really attached to the ground so that when you let your knees go down, you feel yourself pulling straight back up. So you're actually then to start it. So starting it, put them to 2 so you actually get your abs locked in, and then have a little ball or your chin just right where your fist is between your neck and the bottom of your chin. You never want to go too tight, right? So just keep your neck nice and at that equal distance the whole time, never pinch. And just think about rotating from your groin almost, extending from your groin, those lower abs.
Extend those legs out. You know, you're riding a bicycle in the sky. Got a couple more seconds here.
Good. Think about if your hip flexors are starting to start getting a little fatigued, really think about sinking your core in because you're using too much of your hip, okay? So if this starts to hurt here, you're using too much of your hip to extend out. So he's extending out, he's using all of his core and not his hip to bring his leg back up. Good.
All right, that's done with that. We're gonna move on to the next one. That was like 2 minutes right there. That's your exercise, that's it, that's over. That's all we got. We're doing
only bicycle crunches today.
Some oblique twists for you. You can keep, I like to keep like back of my heels on the ground. Just make sure you have like this nice bend, upright, core tight, and we're just like reaching to both sides, working out these sides.
And if you want to, you can lift your feet up a little bit more, and the further back you reach, the more you're gonna pull in your belly button towards your spine. If not, just keep them down, really pull in, and slow it down and reach, and twist, and reach and twist. You wanna be twisting your core.
Just like this.
Push all that air out of your stomach when you're twisting.
Make sure you breathe and don't hold your breath too long.
And
there we
go.
go.
When you have these and you're pulling from side to side, if you're looking, you're gonna get more down from your hip. If you're looking up, oddly enough, you're gonna get more in your back. So if you look up and twist, it's a lot better than reaching straight down, so you start hurting your lower back there.
Absolutely. We got knee lifts next, back on your back.
All right.
This is like a modified version of a leg lift. Instead of having to just keep your legs straight and going up, we are just going to be bending our knees. Go 90 degrees or less, whatever you feel comfortable with, and all we're doing is raising. Trying to get those knees high up as we can. Remember, flat back.
You can also march for going back and forth. This is also a great way to isolate. So if you are a beginner, you can even leave one leg on the ground and really crunch up into that lower abdominal. Even the transverse and also your obliques are getting hit here. So from down, same thing. One at a time. You really don't have to do much except isolate and really flex and be in your body.
Exactly.
Good. Let's get one more in and down. Good. Stretching it out. Woo.
Last but not least, the infamous amazing plank. This one is
everyone hates it, but it's a great exercise for your core and your shoulders if you're doing it the right way, right?
Absolutely.
So walk us through it, Greg.
The simple exercises, always the most impactful, but they're kind of boring, unfortunately, but they do so well. So you want to stack your elbow below your shoulder. You want flat back. Try not to round yourself or have your butt too high up in the air. If you can, keep your legs straight and really like pull up from your core. You almost want to tighten, cinch your body up. If you can't have your knees off the ground, knees down are also good. The goal is just make sure your back is flat and really focus mind-body connection on your core, squeezing tight and really making sure your back is flat. Here we go.
Legs flex. Flex those legs too.
Bam.
Flex those legs, keep that butt tight.
Also, there's different variations you can do with your hands. I like to use my fists. You know, helps me just like really like tighten everything up. You can put palms down, palms side. You can do no hands on the ground. Whatever you feel comfortable with.
Whatever you want to do, as long as you are tightening up, you're not feeling pain, and your hips are not sinking. Hold it, your knees can come down too. And if you do transition, the only difference is your knees come up. Knees are down, everything else is the same, right? Everything else is the same.
Almost there. Just breathe through it. Couple more seconds. We got 3, 2, and 1. Good job.
Woo.
That was your explanation set. We're gonna get onto that second set. Grab some water.
Router, towel, wipe yourself off, and let's do it. Keep yourself loose though. Don't just sit down. Kind of bounce around, get some water.
You know I like the box
loose,
for bounce.
Okay? All right, so let's get in that second round. Make sure you get some water. You wiped yourself off. You are ready.
We're doing pedal crunches.
We're going into our pedal crunches. Make sure your lower back is not hurting. You're not feeling any pain, but you should be tired, okay? You should be a little bit tired.
All right, there you have it. That was your core and stability work. I hope you liked it as much as we did.
Loved it. And if you guys want to see more, make sure you click all the links. Check out more of Craig's videos, more of Gabby's videos, who's here too. You guys will be seeing her. So I hope you guys like it. Oh, there she is right there. She's next. So if you guys click on her video, and we'll see you on the next one.
See you guys.